Some might say a pallet is a pallet. And while they may not be wrong, there's so much more you should consider when buying pallets. You might begin by looking at what materials and designs are available. Plastic pallets are gaining in popularity these days, and with good reason. They're often made with 100% recycled materials. They're exempt from needing ISPM 15 specs because plastic cannot harbor pests, mold, or fungus. They're available in a wide array of types and are safe to store outdoors. Most plastic options are one-piece designs, produced in a single operation that needs no fasteners and requires no welding or snap-in parts. They often have drain holes in the feet or feature a flow-through design that won't hold water. Both options reduce the opportunity for contamination, and they're also chemical resistant and are easily cleanable. Here are some more facts to consider when looking at plastic pallets. Injection molded pallets offer high durability. Solid wall molded pallets offer high impact strength and long life. Structural foam pallets offer high floor load capacity. Then there are inexpensive plastic pallets that are normally used for one-way international shipping. At the other end of the spectrum, there are more durable plastic pallets designed for multiple trips, either in your facility or as part of your total distribution chain. Some plastic pallets are designed to make up to 250 trips, depending on your application and usage. These provide consistent, repeatable performance during their entire life, with no broken boards, splinters, or nails to stop the flow of product. They also provide higher weight capacities than wood, giving you long service life and cost savings that you desire. Traditional wooden pallets come in two types. The first is hardwood, which is the most popular type. That's because it's an economical way to go and it's readily available. They have a fairly substantial load capacity that meets many of the basic needs of a regular warehouse or shop. When shipments are going abroad, it's a good idea to make sure that hardwood pallets are heat treated to meet ISPM 15 specs. This method of treating the pallet rids it of wood-borne pests, and many nations will not allow wooden pallets to be used unless they've been treated. Wooden pallets can also be presswood. These are molded from wood fibers and a synthetic resin. A presswood pallet is nestable and has a greater floor capacity than hardwood. They should also meet ISPM 15 specs for international shipping. It offers a dry deck. No moisture can penetrate up from the floor. Rely Solutions offers a unique hybrid pallet. The Green Line Armor pallet uses a combination of wood and plastic to make a durable, long-lasting product that also offers a 10-year warranty. Pallets can also be made from corrugated cardboard and are much stronger than you might think. Because of the material, they're very lightweight and easy to handle. High-density polyethylene legs support the cardboard and keep it off the ground to eliminate moisture absorption. Corrugated pallets are also exempt from ISPM 15 specs. Another alternative material is galvanized wire. Wire makes them very durable, giving them a long life and making them more cost-effective than wood and plastic options. The open grid design allows air and liquid to flow through. Galvanized wire pallets stack, but with only a 4-inch overall height, more can be stored in the same amount of space. Lastly, there are steel pallets. The galvanized slots mimic the look and function of hardwood pallets and won't rust or corrode. Wire and steel pallets are well suited for wet or corrosive environments. Special export sizes and half pallets are also available. When you're picking pallets, you'll also want to keep in mind what your typical pallet load is like. When comparing your needs to each of the pallet's capacity limit, you'll notice two different ratings. The floor capacity, also called static capacity, is the maximum amount of evenly distributed weight it will hold when it's on the even ground. That's especially important for loads that spend a lot of time in storage. Then there's fork capacity, or dynamic capacity, which refers to the maximum amount of evenly distributed weight that the pallet can support while being moved on a forklift, hand jack, pallet truck, or semi-trailer. Speaking of forklifts, make sure the pallets you select have the kind of access for transport that you need. A two-way has access in front and back of the pallet, while a four-way can be approached from all four sides. Do you need a pallet that is rackable? Rackable pallets can be stored fully loaded on pallet racks without needing a deck for support. Look at your facility's storage practices to determine whether to go with nestable or stackable pallets. Remember that nesting allows for more compact storing and easier movement of nested empty pallets, but stackable pallets are more quickly available to forklifts. Both types are available in a wide array of types and are safe to store outdoors. One final point. If you'll be storing food on the pallet, be sure that the material meets FDA standards. This breakdown of available pallets and features has hopefully helped to narrow down your search for the right types of pallets. Rest assured that the variety of available options will cover your needs, whether they're standard request or specialized to the job.